Hey, what's up people, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll show you how to get an IP address from an email. So if you want to know from where you're getting these emails, this is how you do it. So without wasting time, let's get started. As you can see, we have our Gmail account open here. So let's open an email. Okay, this is an email from one of the services that I use. So all you have to do is just open the email in the Gmail and click on these three dots over here and select show original. This will open another tab and it will give you some details of the email, like from what address it has come from and to what address it has been delivered. And here if you see at the SPF pass with IP, so this is the IP. So just copy this IP, open a new tab and go to IP lookup. You can select any of these IP trackers. I'll go with this one, what's my IP address, and paste the IP address that you have copied and click on search, and there you go. You will get the details for this IP address for this website, for this email that we received. It's coming from the country United States and city is Seattle, and you can see the latitude and all the other details on what server this is based, and this is basically from AWS or Google Cloud or any hosting provider details you will get. So this is just for a demonstration, and I'm sure this helped you guys. If it did, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.